What's up you guys, it's Joseph here. In today's video I want to talk to you guys about what YouTube Shorts are and how you can take advantage of this new direction that YouTube is heading in. So I don't have to explain to you guys exactly what TikTok is, but YouTube Shorts is YouTube's way of trying to combat TikTok. TikTok is more geared towards a younger audience and is more about viral videos and pouring Mentos in a Coke bottle and that kind of thing. What YouTube Shorts is more geared towards is an actual video that's less than a minute long. So this could be anything about how to tie your shoes, how to fill up your car with gas, how to start a push-to-start car, that kind of thing. I will be uploading my first short video here on YouTube, so you guys can check that out. If you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that when I upload the short video, you guys can check it out. Okay, so shorts are different than stories on YouTube. If you click on any YouTube video and scroll down a little bit, you'll see what are called stories, and that's basically a Snapchat of somebody uploading, or a creator uploading like a short clip of a video, and that's usually 10 or 15 seconds. However, a YouTube short is a actual video that's uploaded the traditional way but is less than 60 seconds long. Now what I love about this YouTube short direction that YouTube is taking is that it levels the playing field for everybody. So if Mr. Beast uploads a short video and I upload a short video, at this moment in time, it has the potential to be seen by the same amount of people. This is kind of why it's mind-blowing to me and why I wanted to share it with you guys as soon as I found out about it. All you have to do is upload a video to YouTube. Now the rule is that it has to be less than a minute long. However, when you upload things to YouTube, it sometimes adds a few seconds onto it. So to be safe, make sure it's 58 seconds or less. But other than that, you can upload it the traditional way of uploading a video to YouTube. However, you do want to tag the word shorts in there, both in the tags that you upload the video with as well as on your description and the video title itself. So here's what I know about shorts so far. YouTube is currently not running ads on shorts. However, it's a great way to get exposure to your channel. So the idea would be to upload a short video or multiple short videos and attract people to your channel with the option for them to subscribe to your channel. So the really cool thing about shorts right now is that when people are watching your video, at the very bottom there's an option for them to subscribe to your channel while watching that short video. This is a brand new feature that YouTube implemented not too long ago, so I would highly suggest, if you are a YouTube creator, to go ahead and upload a couple shorts and try and gain some traction for your channel. It's a level playing field, so it doesn't matter how big or small your channel is, upload YouTube shorts and you'll have the potential to be seen by possibly millions of people. Now I've seen videos of people that have uploaded shorts and again didn't gain a ton of money as far as ad revenue, but they did gain thousands of subscribers who eventually watched other videos where they were able to monetize those videos and gain revenue from there. Let me know what you guys think about YouTube Shorts. Have you uploaded it? Has it worked for you? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you guys can get notified every time I upload a video. If you benefited from this video in any way, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, as I would greatly appreciate it and it would really support my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.